It's a showstopper, it's a conversation starter, and it's your best friend when you're trying to get a win. I do love how they have these open almost like loot boxes. It's actually kind of fun. So this is the brand new Pulse Red controller. This is a room stopper right here. You're not gonna miss this thing when you walk in a room. It's electric red. Almost reminds me of almost like a hot rod car. I wasn't kidding when I said it is the one thing in the room that I feel like everyone's eyes are drawn to. It looks like it is hot. You'll also probably never lose this thing unless you by chance have Ferrari red carpeting. I've got the black controller, I've got the blue controller and the white one, but this one really stands out above the rest of them. They really took the time with this next generation based on years of feedback. What you'll notice is the comfort and the feel of it. But with the next generation, they added a whole new slew of features, from the D-pad to my personal favorite, the little textured grips. They've improved the battery life on it. They've changed the size of it just a little bit, but it's just enough to where it should seat really nice in your hands. If you ever sat in the world's most comfortable seat that felt like it was shaped just for you, that's what this feels like. The textured grips really kind of set it apart. It's subtle, but every time you pick it up, you feel it instantly. You really haven't seen a D-pad like this. To me, this is literally a hybrid of that dish D-pad meets kind of the Crosshairs D-pad. It's got more of a hard edge to catch your thumb, and then when you kind of scroll up, you're actually gonna hit that top D-pad really nicely. So they shook up the design a bit and said, we're gonna smack a share button right in the middle of it. So you can capture screenshots and share clips pretty much as fast as you can just flick the button right there. If you press and hold for just a quick little second there and you've got a clip, press it once real quick, there's your screenshot. It'll go up to the cloud, ready for you to share it to social media right away. Now you get a little bonus treat right up front. This is always my favorite, courtesy of the Xbox Game Pass team. It's actually 14 days of Xbox Game Pass. I mean, overall, for me, what products like the Pulse Red controller mean is we're listening to our community. It's kind of the culmination of everything at Xbox in the last couple of years based on how you guys use the controller. So it's welcome to the next generation of Xbox controllers. Fair enough, fair enough.
Okay, that's a wrap, everyone.